How to verify phone number on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you verify phone number on Discord. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Discord on your device. Alright, so after you open the Discord, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option U just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from your profile section, you'll have to tap on settings just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the settings, you'll have to tap on account. And now from the account section, you'll be easily finding options like phone. So simply tap on the option phone. Alright, so from the section, you can easily add or update your phone number on Discord. So you have to just provide your phone number here. And after you provide your phone number here, you'll be able to receive a verification code on your phone number. And from there, you'll have to just enter the verification code that you have received on your phone number, and after you verify with your verification code on Discord, you'll be able to easily verify your phone number on Discord. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.